Hello friends, welcome to edupediaworld.com. This is your video lecturer Vomika Soni, and in the current video lecture I will give a brief introduction to plant physiology. In my previous video lectures I had already completed Unit 1, which is about genetics. Please refer to my previous video lectures if you want to know anything related to genetics. In the current video lecture, a brief introduction to plant physiology will be given. Hope you will enjoy this video lecture and understand the concept properly. So let's begin. The description of structure and variation of living organisms over a period of time ended up as two perspectives on biology. The perspectives essentially rested on two levels of organization of life forms and phenomena. One described at organismic level and the second one described at cellular and molecular level of organization. The first resulted in ecology and related disciplines. The second resulted in physiology and biochemistry. The process of mineral nutrition of plants, photosynthesis, transport, respiration, and ultimately plant growth and development are described in molecular terms, but in context of cellular activities and even at organism level. Wherever appropriate, the relation of the physiological processes to environment is also discussed. Have you ever wondered how water reaches the top of tall trees? Or for that matter, how and why substances move from one cell to another? Whether all substances move in a similar direction, or whether the metabolic energy is required for moving substances. Plants need to move molecules over very long distances, much more than animals do. They also do not have circulatory system in place. Water taken up by the roots has to reach all parts of the plant, up to the very tip of the growing stem. The photosynthetes or food synthesized by the leaves have also to be moved to all parts, including the root tips embedded deep inside the soil. Movement across short distances, say within the cell, across the membrane, and from cell to cell within the tissue has also to take place. To understand some of the transport processes that take place in plants, we should know about the structure of the cell and anatomy of plant body. Regarding the structure of cell, we had already discussed in our previous video lecture. When we talk of the movement of substances, we need first to define what kind of movement we are talking about and also what substances we are looking at. In flowering plant, the substances that would need to be transported are water, mineral nutrients, organic nutrients, and plant growth regulators. Plant physiology is a branch of biology which deals with all internal physiological mechanism of plants. The physiology of plants involves the functioning of cells, tissues, organs, organ system, and the plant as a whole. In this chapter, we can get knowledge about absorption of water and other minerals by roots and the processes involved in absorption. Here I end the current video lecture. Hope you have understood the concept properly. In my upcoming video lecture, I will be describing about the process of absorption by roots. Till then, have a wonderful day and keep watching edupediaworld.com. Thank you.